If you're experiencing login issues on Slack, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache or app data. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if necessary. Step 5. Update the app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Slack app or your web browser. Check for updates and install them to benefit from the latest features and fixes. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Slack support for further assistance.